Alrighty, Sharp Customs. I'm working on the mill. I'll show you what I'm doing. This is just going to be a little short video. Working on the mill lathe. It's loud, I know, but I'll show you what I'm doing. Cutting in an aluminum block to make a water-cooled isolator block. For the fly color, 150 amp, because these little tubes on the side, yeah, they're kind of shitty. So I figured if I made an isolator block, I'm going to drill some holes through it. I'm going to run some tubing through it. And all the controls are on the bottom of this. And I figure if I set this on the aluminum block, that's cooled a lot better. It'll keep the speed controller, the ESC, a lot more cool. Set that down there. We've got something going on. Sometimes this thing, sometimes it stops. Sometimes it gets, so this nut right here, this bolt, it gets, you know, this thing is not what I would call precision. So, and we're getting to the end. I mean, I am cutting about 100 thou. So I'm going to wind it back around there. I'm going to switch gears. Just switch direction. Now it's going to come back. And it's going to start making another cut. And as you can see, yeah, we're about 100 thou thickness. And you're going to see the whole thing. I'm going to back out. And you're going to see the whole thing kind of shaking. It's because I need to tighten up that bolt right there. Just snug it up. Kind of takes a shake. But if I do it too tight, notice the wheel has stopped now. Okay, I'm going to keep my camera on the wheel and I'm going to loosen that bolt. There you go. Starts to go. Not a very precision machine. So I'm all constantly playing with it. Try and keep a smooth cut, and I'll back away a bit so you can hear me a little better. But the mill head, I only got one speed. If you recall, a few videos ago, I was trying to make the new gears for inside, and yeah, I got one speed. That's it. I would like to be actually turning the head a little bit faster, you know, for cutting. Now, like I said, I am taking a very aggressive cut. You know, I'm taking 100 thou cut because I don't want to, I'm impatient. Now you're kind of wondering why the lathe apparatus is going. It's so I can have the auto feed. If I don't have that running, then I don't have no auto feed. But, you know, we're 75% of the way. I cut this block off a big chunk on my bandsaw, and it didn't cut very clean. I just switched gears right here. Look at it. I flip this up and down, changes direction. You not hear it grind a bit? Yeah, because you're not supposed to do that. You're not supposed to do that. But I do it. There you go. Cutting away. And yeah, I'm yelling at my phone. I'm doing this on my on my smartphone. I thought it would just be a quick, neat little short. As you can see, it's really bouncing. Now I could tighten that. I could tighten that up a bit more, but it puts too much drag on the feed. I could slow it down. Here, I'll slow it down to the next level. Maybe. There we go. So there, now it's going super slow. I'm going to back out so you can see everything going. Yeah, that's on super slow, and that takes forever. There's my, I use the gearbox here. So this knob here, and this arm here, you would use if you wanted to do some threading. But I just use this one to kind of speed up. There, it's in the middle. So now it's going a little bit quicker. But yeah, when I get this thing all cut and drilled, maybe I'll throw another little short out there. But till then, you know, Sharp Customs, man, share, like, and subscribe. Thought I'd show you some behind the scenes. Later, Gators.